Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super useful feature for any WooCommerce store owner, scheduling sales offers in advance. It might sound basic, but trust me, knowing how and when to schedule sales can save you a lot of time and help you run more successful campaigns. Now the good news is, WooCommerce already has built-in options to help you schedule product sales. You can set a start date and an end date for individual products or variations easily. Let me show you how to do it. Simply, visit your WordPress dashboard and go to Products. Click on the product you want to put on sale. Scroll down to the Product Data section and click on the General tab. Here, you'll see two fields, Regular Price and Sale Price. Put in your desired number here. Click on the Schedule option, and you'll see the fields to set sale price dates. Choose the start and end dates for the sale schedule. Now the offer will go live at your designated time. Now this default WooCommerce method is good for a few products. What if you have a big online store and want to launch a site-wide offer for multiple products at once? You'll need to set the schedule one by one, which can be frustrating. Also, you cannot set a specific time as a schedule using this method. This is where a plugin like WowRevenue can be very helpful. WowRevenue makes it super easy to set up and customize discount campaigns across your WooCommerce store, letting you manage the schedule for multiple products dynamically. Let me show you how it works. Firstly, make sure you have installed and activated the WowRevenue plugin. After that, visit its dashboard and click on WowRevenue. Create campaign. Choose any type of discount campaign. For this video, I want to schedule a product bundle offer. Now you'll land on Campaign Editor page. Here, you can customize many useful settings for the discount campaigns. For example, you can set the target pages like Product page, Cart page, and Checkout page. Also, you can define the display mode to control how the discount offer will be displayed. For example, as a pop-up, floating, or in-page element. Next, select the trigger products, the products for which the offer will show up. You can select all products if you want the offer displayed for all products in your store. After that, you need to set the offer products. Here, you can select more than one product or set a specific category. Set the discount amount, either a fixed amount, a percentage, or no discount. Alternatively, you can offer a product for free. After these setups are done, scroll down and you should see the Schedule Settings option. From here, set the start date and time for the campaign. And then, if you want the offer to stop automatically, choose the end date and time. Once everything looks good, click Publish and your sale campaign will go live at the right time. Alright, that's a wrap, guys. Now you know exactly how to schedule sales in WooCommerce, manually or with a plugin like WowRevenue. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials and growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.